Our founder said that he prefers to lose the money, his money, than to lose the trust of his customers. There are a lot of inventions that were made by Bosch that saved millions of lives. Bosch has opened recently many offices in new countries like Egypt, Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco, and Kenya is one of them. And all the different divisions of Bosch that I will show you in my brief presentation are enlarging their activities into these new countries with own local staff.
What we did today was to launch residential heating solutions. This means water heaters using both of either electric, solar or gas water heaters. So as an innovation leader in this field, Robert Bosch is introducing these solutions to Eastern Africa so that we can be able to reach our market. We launched in the product today and we invited developers, we invited distributors, and we invited end user customers so that we are able to build this partnership together. So what you'll see here today, some of you have seen outside, is just a brief. We will introduce instantaneous showers.
So the difference between these two technologies, as you can see, is space savings, and I think you have a very good example outside with the samples that were anchored on the display. So you have space savings. I can give you an example. In Europe, we install these, for example, in the kitchen, inside the cabinet, so it's also something that becomes invisible. Here it can be installed as well on the balcony, so it's very flexible. It's something that can be installed by one person, okay, because it's light. If we go, for example, for a solution like this, a gas storage solution, usually is something more heavy. You need more persons to have this. But if you tell me, no, this is a 6 persons apartment with 2 bathrooms, and sometimes, frequently, I have 2 showers at a time, then in that case I will say to go for the 18 liters. You understand? Because for 18 liters per minute, if you have 2 showers, you may require 6 liters for one shower, 6 liters for another shower, and the rest of the liters may be required for the sink, etc. So we need more to look for what is the simultaneous use on that application.
In the business for industrial, we have 2 divisions, residential and industrial, but I'm more in industrial, where we deal with more on steam boilers and hot water boilers. Our boilers use fuel, HFO, diesel, biogas, and gas, and then other alternative fuel that is available in the market. We can still configure a dual burner for the same. We do the business in East Africa. This includes Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, inclusive of Mauritius, Madagascar, Ethiopia, and the neighboring countries within East Africa. So we cover mostly on heavy industrial boilers from small tonnage to 55 ton. All of them oil and gas. We also do hot water boilers mainly for hospitals and hotels. In Bosch and in this market, we are the only OEM manufacturing company in Kenya. All the other competitors or other parties are dealing with dealership, distributorship. So we pride ourselves to have service team available in Kenya, service team available within Africa. We also do parts, direct shipping to customers wherever they are. So whenever a customer makes a call, he can do a 24 service, call in direct or send an email, and they will get the information and the quotation will be sent to them.
Something I want to show you. Depending on the position of this selector, if it is maximum flow or minimum flow, there is a difference as well in the minimum flow to start up. Let's start by this, for example, by this, maximum flow. When the water comes in, okay, there is here this channel that makes the water pressure, activates internally a membrane that will switch on this micro switch. Nevertheless, in fact, the current first comes from the supply, comes here, look, this red cable, you see this red cable, is this red cable that comes through this element, which is our temperature limiter. This is our thermostat, safety thermostat. You see this pin here? In case of activation due to over temperature, we need to do manual reset here. Okay, so this safety thermostat is a mandatory requirement in any kind of electric appliance.
I believe in Bosch because of their quality products. I've used their products before, whether it's here or abroad. So I 100% believe in the quality of their German engineering. The reason why we've decided to partner with Bosch is because we are very proud to have a big manufacturer like them within our product portfolio. We've seen some of their new innovations, which we're really glad about. We're also grateful that they allow us to feed back into their innovation to cater for our market, so to localize the products to our market. This is one of the reasons why we partner with Bosch.
You see, as a developer, as a constructor, as a builder, we tend to look forward that how we could save energy, electricity, as well as how could we help the entire environment. Just keep up the good work. It helps us, it helps everyone, and it helps create a stable market.
Yeah, I'm extremely excited about this launch. It's definitely something that will give us an enormous push in terms of our business. We are focusing right now in expanding our distribution channels, not only to Kenya, but all the neighboring countries from our Kenyan hub. We will be having local warehousings in Nairobi that we will be able to serve to other locations, which will make us, let's say, in a very unique position in East Africa for the future. So very, very excited. We are building a great team over here, and we think that we have all the pieces together in the puzzle to make a successful operation here with our quality products in the market.
The new products have been really good. We are very excited to showcase some of them to our consumers and try to bring them out into the market. So we're very, very excited about the new products, especially the solar range. And yeah, we're looking forward to shifting the products within the market.
We know the business in Kenya is different from business in Tanzania, it's different from business in Sudan, it's different from business in Egypt. Why we are here locally is that we want to understand the market. What are the products for this country? What are the variants for this country? And how do we work together to bring these solutions? We know that the government has implemented a program that all residential houses must have solar water heaters. We're aware that not everybody might be able to afford this. So there is a pilot project going on now on microcredit. Is it also possible that people can get this on microcredit?
Our main stakeholders in this market in terms of distribution will be architects, planners, all the people which are involved in building new homes for the Kenyan people, but also the different distributors in the market, plumbers and all installers, certified installers will be, let's say, our key stakeholders in order to distribute our product in the market.
I think we are committed to make a difference, and we are inviting you here today that we become partners.
Bosch is a reputable company. The brand name itself sells. Mostly Bosch we've sold a lot, and now this new product, thermo heaters and solar heaters. We're actually excited for Bosch and all these products, and we hope to sell them.
To Bosch, I say thank you for coming to the African market. Thank you for investing in the African market. We believe in your product. We're looking forward to moving your product, and thank you for bringing quality to the African market.
Okay, in one sentence, I want to tell our clients that we are here to offer you comfort. We are here to provide you solutions for comfortable living, either in your workplace or in your home place. We will provide you the most efficient solutions, the most cost-effective solutions, and we are here to fit into the market.